knocked over Sterling's bowl. Oh my god. She's gonna buy them all. What the f does Sagittarius smell like? You know what I do need though? Cheese. And we're gonna unpack. Oh, that was just a straight shot of my titties. Good morning. It is moving vlog number 2, 3. I don't know. If you don't know, I daily vlog for moving, so make sure to subscribe. You can see them every single day. But basically, I am currently laying on the floor with my mattress and my dog, Sterling. And I'm gonna open up these windows because I feel like it could be a vibe. But today, I gotta go get some stuff done. Currently naked, laying in bed as well, so. Hey. I woke up this morning and it was like 8 a.m. and it was so cold because the heating system needs batteries in them. Ew, the way I said batteries, get out of my face. The heating system needs new batteries in them and I've just been too lazy and I'm like, oh, like it's LA, like it's not gonna get hot. Like I don't need to turn the heat on, it's not gonna get cold. Like, no, it was freezing. Like I did not want to get out of bed. So in result of that, instead of, you know, maybe putting in batteries, turning the heat on, getting my day started, you know, letting the sun in or something, no, I literally grabbed another blanket and fell back asleep until I could wake up and not be cold again. And that time is now. I'm gonna open up these windows. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, that's enough for now. I'm gonna go put on some freaking socks and I need to pack my bag because I need to go over to Adeline's. She's not even home right now. She's currently in Pennsylvania visiting Nikki, but I need to go over to her house because I don't have Wi-Fi. Ew, what is wrong with my face? Am I good? I don't have Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna go over there to do some work and then get some Starbucks and then I'll head back here later. But daily vlogging is a mission when you don't have Wi-Fi. I just knocked over Sterling's bowl. Oh my god. There's water everywhere. I think we're good to go. Let's head out. Ready to go? Yeah, yeah. Are you gonna run? Okay. Go pee. Can you go pee? Finally. Get in, loser. We're going shopping. Just kidding. Go. Nope, wrong way. Also, love that somebody hit me. Oh, I need to go to Allen's and get a makeup wipe. I have like makeup remover in my suitcase somewhere, but me being incapable of doing anything, I do not want to carry it up the stairs. So that's gonna have to wait. We're just gonna go drive 20 minutes to Adeline just to use a makeup wipe. Oh, I just want my matcha, my oat milk iced matcha latte. I can't wait to go kitchen shopping because once I do, I'm gonna make like every single meal at home and I know you're not gonna believe me, but it's true. I literally will. Yeah, I still need to go buy like dining sets and stuff like that, but I brought all of my kitchen organization like fridge stuff back from home because I am obsessed with it and I paid too much money to just leave it. So I'm excited, but the thing is I'm gonna have to still go buy a bunch of kitchen stuff like a microwave. So that's gonna be a whole vlog in itself. I'll probably do that like on Tuesday. Literally daily vlogging. So make sure to catch yourself up with that. Let's head to Starbucks. Let's hope I don't hit something reversing out of this hoe because there's a bunch of things in the back because we went to Target the other day and I still haven't taken it out because why? I am lazy. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. No backup camera, nothing. Just straight talent. Can I get a venti iced green tea matcha latte with oat milk? Can I get your guys' like turkey basil pesto or panini? Thanks. Okay. Whoa. Currently I'm sitting on the floor and I have my clothing rack here. It got dark so freaking fast. But I have my clothing rack here and it's like a 7-foot tall one. And I wanted to hire someone to build it for me, but then I was like, no, I'm gonna be a bad bitch and build it myself. But now looking at this, I kind of high-key regret it, but I guess we're gonna do it. The instructions is literally one sheet. So I hope this goes well, but honestly don't really know what I'm doing. But it looks really easy to build, but I just don't have the brain power for it. Okay, so first it says to put the wheels. Did that wheel just fall off? Oh my god. Oh my god, all the wheels have fallen out. Okay, boom. Perfecto. All right, hi, so it's currently 8 o'clock and I picked up Alyssa. She's finally actually moving in. She's not staying at her friend's house anymore. How do you feel?
I feel like a woman. I feel great, honestly. I really do feel great. I'm so excited to have a bed to sleep on.
Girlies! Oh my god!
Girlies!
Girlies! Okay, so currently we're at the Westwood Target because we're gonna get some hangers. They have the velvet hangers here. They're like the only Target in like Los Angeles that has it. Hopefully they actually do and they're not lying to us. Ooh, cute outfit, Alyssa. Can you tell me where it's from?
I got my hoodie and my top from Brandy Melville. Got some Louis Vuitton.
Fake.
Some easy
Sunday service and some Balenciagas. Wow. All right, all right, all right. Alyssa, would you like to do the duties of pushing the cart?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Really? I hate it. So now we know you're the designated cart
Oh my
pusher.
God, look at that tiny kini. Look at this top.
The fact that you say Keenies, Kulani Keenies.
How do I take that name from them?
You really can't. All right, so we found a bunch of the hangers, and you know what a bitch is gonna do? Since she's doing her closet tonight, she's gonna buy them all. Sorry to all the college students, I need them. I need them all. Wow, a girlie is organizing her closet today. I hope all the college boys see me.
Where'd you get those shorts?
I got them from Brandy Melville. They're really cute. Make the butt look really nice. Bust it. Bust it.
This one smells like cucumber and watermelon on a beach.
Okay. Wow, I think you found your new talent.
This one smells like grass, but like old.
That smells like a man. Okay. Cozy Nights. I can't even smell it. Oh, it kind of smells good though.
Oh, it smells like nothing.
White citron.
Nothing.
Yeah, these suck. Sagittarius. What the f does Sagittarius smell like?
Oh my God, it smells like you. It smells like absolutely nothing.
Notes of lilac, tuber, rose, jasmine, musk wood. Nothing.
What if you have COVID?
Maybe this was not. Just kidding. No, I promise you we smelled the rest of these.
Or you can get joy and laughter. Oh yeah, that one does smell like joy and laughter.
Okay, let's get one and then sit around it tonight and then manifest positive things in our life. We also need a little bit of coffee. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Should we get some Starbies or should we get...
They just turned off their lights.
Never mind, let's go to the kitchen section. We just witnessed them close right in front of our face. Should we buy a pack of stick lighters?
You should get like the cool ones that they sell at the cool places on Melrose and stuff.
No, oh yeah, I did buy
these
one.
are-
So we're gonna get these easy reach lighters though so I don't burn myself. Ooh, you know what is good though? These sun chips, the Harvest cheddar.
Best.
Really, you agree? Okay, cool. Oh, I really just want some feta cheese right now with the salad, but I feel like no one understands me when I say that. Oh, I was just about to buy something that I could throw in the microwave, but I realized we don't have a microwave.
Microwave.
No, we just moved. Wow, I love having conversations with random people at Target. It really just like makes my day. Oh, I'm so hungry. I wish I had a microwave. Does someone want to donate me money to buy a microwave? You know what I do need though? Cheese. I'm a whore for cheese. You guys want to know what my favorite cheese is? I love cheese, always on the go. They don't even have my favorite here. Are you kidding me? Like I don't want like string cheese. Maybe I'll get... Sorry, I almost broke it. Maybe I'll get a little DIY charcuterie board. Are we gonna eat charcuterie boards, light a candle, and do our closets?
Yeah, should we get wine too?
Ew.
Oh.
We may not have a microwave, but we do have an oven for pizza. Okay, but like, what are we feeling? I kind of want a tomato and arugula one. There's a margarita one too. But I feel like we should get like a really like basic one just in case these turn out to taste like ass. You know? Like just like a regular like delicioso one. How about the 4 cheese rising crust? Or do you want pepperoni? Which one? You know, let's just get both. It's on sale. Yeah. Pizza. So we're gonna go get a charger because Alyssa literally came to the US and didn't bring a charger. So she's actually been using her Game Boy to communicate with people recently. Oh, I need to buy Sterling a hairbrush. She looks so ugly. Sorry, I'm just gonna be honest. Why is Emma Chamberlain's planner 30% off? I'm just not wanting it. That didn't happen. We found this thing called Super Coffee by Kitu. Let's get it. All right, self-checkout moment. Sterling? He literally hopped on the cart. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna work a day in the life of working at Target. Well, so first we got some pizza, more pizza, more pizza. Okay. Anyways, that Target had more security and people on my ass than the US Capitol. All right, so we have all of our boxes here and they're just basically closed. She has her suitcase and we're gonna unpack and hang up like most of our clothes. So this is our closet room. Basically where we're gonna keep all of our clothes. So that's the vibe. I have a little charcuterie board here that I got from Target. Our pizza's currently in the oven, but you know,
Is there a timer for that?
I looked at the time, but I didn't set a timer because my phone is dead. But a little ham, cheese, cracker. Mmm, delicious. Y'all didn't see that. This one's my hangers. I brought my hangers from back home because I love them so much. This charcuterie board is so yummy.
How do you pronounce it actually?
Charcuterie.
Who made up that name?
I don't know, but I think saying charcuterie is so much more fun.
Charcuterie board.
Why are you putting all the hangers on there?
So that way, grab, rip, use.
Wow, this is gonna be so efficient. Grab, rip, use, put on. Grab, rip, use, put on. Grab, rip, use, put on. Okay, so it's currently 11:59, almost midnight, and I finally finished. It's not organized or anything. I have to do that another day, but I hung up everything, took everything out of all the clothing boxes, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I want to get a rug in here and a mirror and everything, but at least I got the basics down and everything like that, so yeah, I'm gonna show you. So over here is Alyssa's side. She has like barely any clothes, but this is hers. She got her shoes here. And then her other clothes on this side. I mean, she does have clothes, but like I feel like this closet is so big that it makes it look like she has none, even though she has a lot. But this is all of my clothes so far, and it's a lot. Shit. So all of these clothes are like my clothes that I already have, and then like half of this here is what I need to do a haul video with. I ordered a bunch of clothes from Kiss the Rainbow Shop and Shein. I want to do a haul with them because they're so cute. Like you can see like the puffers I got and like some brown things and such cute outfits. Just such cute pieces that I need to do a haul with. But I got this rack from Wayfair, and it holds so much stuff, and it's such like sturdy quality. I saw Tana get it, a bunch of girls on TikTok, and I decided to buy it, and it's really good. I got this shelf from IKEA, and I had this in Daniela's house, but I brought it over here, and this just holds all of my shoes. I just bought those two from Shein, and I love them, but I need to get like professional shoe cleaning because like these shoes are literally brown and it's not cute. But I have like my lights there and just some of my dresses here and a bunch of the purses that I got from Shein and Kiss the Rainbow Shop. You can see Alyssa set up some of her stuff in her bathroom. She's got her little bath rug that she bought for like 30 bucks, which is way too expensive. If you don't know, I'm daily vlogging. This sounds like I'm ending this vlog, but I'm not because I still gotta wash my feet and take my makeup off. I look so mad.
So I'm gonna be using this Aveeno sulfate-free body wash.
Oh, shit. That water was so cold. I don't know how to make it warmer.
I'm gonna put some lotion on it.
Alright, time to wash my face. I'm using Emma Chamberlain's Bad Habit Acai makeup remover. It works really well. It just like melts off all my makeup. I've been using this for like a week now. I bought her whole skincare line and I'm gonna review it eventually. I wanna like review new skincare or new makeup every Monday, like my Mondays, like skincare Sundays or makeup Mondays, you know? I'm literally on my tippy toes right now, like these things were not made for me. Oh, that was just a straight shot of my titties. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my face using the Curology cleanser. Not sponsored. I'm literally almost out. Like that's how much I've actually been using it. Here we go. Oh fuck, I'm literally all out. God damn it. Need to buy more. Now I'm gonna use the Curology moisturizer. Yeah, this thing right here. Oh my god, no. I'm all out. Come on. God damn it. You know what? Whatever. Oh, I have to go buy more. Brush my teeth. Put in the Invisalign and we're gonna go to sleep. I just am putting on my lip balm and it's white because it's like really strongly like I'm medicated or something. But I wake up with super soft lips, so I'm not mad about it, you know? It's called the Blistex Medicated Lip Ointment. I'm also wearing my Invisalign. Shout out to everybody that DMs me every day to wear my Invisalign. Don't worry, I see it. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the reminders. I've been slacking lately, so I need more DMs telling me to wear it. Whoa, I look like I'm blue, ba-da-dee-da-da-da. Turn the lights on. It's kind of a vibe. Oh my god, I thought that was lights and turns out that's the carburetor. Alright, well that's it for today's vlog. I really hope you enjoyed. I am a daily vlogger. Wow, I hate saying that. My name is Casey Neistat. Make sure to subscribe. But for real though, I'm gonna try to daily vlog. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you get my videos up in your recommendations so you can find them every single day in the morning, 9 a.m. LA time, which is I think like PST, I don't know, something like that. But make sure to follow my social medias because I'll be posting a bunch of countdowns so you can be notified for my videos, outfits, and every single thing if you want to be caught up before YouTube gets caught up. So yeah, if you don't know, I also read every single one of the comments and I also do a comment of the day and a post of the day. I look so stupid right now. Comment of the day goes to _dot_Dari. She said, can't wait for merch to come out. You're right, coming soon. And then a fan page of the day goes to Mize_corner_. She made this super cute edit right here. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be doing this every day, so if you wanna be involved, make sure to just post comments and post pictures. Anyways, yeah, until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.